Hello, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle of today in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, March the 25th, 2022. Yes, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku and the binary puzzle. So now it's time for the last puzzle, the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. This one will be number 4313. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has 8, 9, 10 printed digits. Should be an easy one, this one. 4 stars, that means I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. But I think this one, 16 printed digits, should be an easy one. So, need to be faster. Maybe 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question is, can you see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? No dual boxes in this puzzle. Triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 or the 3. Let me mark those. When you see a triple box, remember the middle box. The box near the middle box should be the 4 or the 5. Okay, 4 or 5. 1 triple box. No, yeah, 1 triple box. Quadra boxes then. I see a quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember the inside box is always a 5. Okay, here also quadra box. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah, more quadra boxes. No, well, here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay. Now I cannot fill the other numbers. I need to wait for more information. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or construction. For example, we have here the S or the Z construction. This is rotated. Okay, let me draw this here. When you see the Z or the S construction, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box always the same number as that box. But also that box has always the same number as this box. So that box always the same number as this box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Alright, this shape. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have only one? No. Here, rotated, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? We draw this here, this shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 4 of them, 4 out of 6. The maximum 6 of those shapes that you need to recognize, but in this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Well, the next step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. So these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. This box is also connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 5. Okay, so the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, let me mark those. 2 boxes. This box is connected with that box, so it should be also 1 or a 3. Okay, this box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So we have a pair, the 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Here also 1 and a 3. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. That box can be a 2. And this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for the numbers for number 3. I think this number this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in the squash area for numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 4. 1 and a 3. Now we have a 5 there. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. So it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Okay. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This is 1 and a 3. Okay. Let me continue. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. And also 2 numbers left in this quarter box, the 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this Z construction or S construction for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 or a 5. Okay. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated 4 here and the 2 there. So the 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and a 3. Okay. Well, this box cannot be a 3 anymore because we have a double 3 there. So here cannot be a 3. And there cannot be a 3. So the only place left for the 3 should be here in this area. This box is connected with that box, so we also 3. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. These 3 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 4 and a 5 are left in this area. But we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 13 minutes. Yes, finish in 13 minutes, and I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. Is this really 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? No. It's rather 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. Wow. Okay, thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the the killer Sudoku, and the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. We will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Bye bye for now.